Hi, I'm Carrie Catino-Nason with The Proper Setting, and I'm a wedding and event planner here on the Outer Banks. I am so excited to introduce you to Hill Runner. It is a brand new event house here in the 4x4 at Penny's Hill Beach Club is the whole neighborhood. It's fabulous and with lots of versatile event spaces. The house itself in the grounds is over 25,000 square feet of living and event space. It has multiple event spaces for up to 150 guests. You can use indoor, outdoor, it all connects to the pool area. It's a great space and it's on time for completion in spring of this year and available to rent 2025 and beyond.